Hello everybody, my name is Kieran Leahy. I'm the MCO head for Takeda in Eastern Europe. I'm leading a region of 14 countries from Estonia in the north to Albania in the south, which of course also includes Serbia. I've worked in the industry for almost 25 years, and the level of transformation that I've witnessed in that time has been very dramatic. We've moved from chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease to areas of rare and sometimes ultra-rare diseases. Not only has the change in disease areas been quite dramatic, but the speed of digital transformation, which of course includes artificial intelligence, in healthcare and also in the wider pharmaceutical industry, has been nothing short of breathtaking. Patient well-being is being improved exponentially as a result of this transformation. Some rare diseases used to take decades to diagnose, and this time to diagnosis has been dramatically reduced. You need to understand that the time to diagnosis impacts a patient's outcome quite dramatically. Quite often, patients will die before they even get diagnosed with rare diseases. So artificial intelligence has allowed us to identify these patients with rare disease. In countries, I come from Ireland, so in a country of that 5 million people, you might have a handful of patients. And to identify those patients is really difficult. Artificial intelligence has allowed us to identify them. The speed of diagnosis is much improved, but not only that, the patient outcomes are improved. AI is now used not only for diagnosis, but also in drug discovery, in research and development, in improving connectivity between patients and clinicians, and also in the logistics of delivering pharmaceuticals to patients. This digital transformation is not only limited to big countries. I've worked in the UK and I've worked in Canada, and some of the best examples of the digital transformation and of embracing the rapid change I witness in smaller geographies such as Serbia. I'm very proud of the Serbian country in terms of its maturity of digitalization and utilization of artificial intelligence. I've worked as a healthcare partner, not just in medicine provider in Serbia, but also very close collaboration with governments and other partners such as the UNDP, which all improves patient diagnosis, patients' treatment, and the support for patients and the clinicians to identify and to treat patients with rare diseases. I can say that Serbia belongs to the top countries in digital and AI partnerships. Serbia is serving not only as a role model within my region, but also across Europe, and I would say globally as well. The Takeda Serbia team, under the leadership of Milena, is doing a tremendous job in improving patients' lives. Digitalization and artificial intelligence will continue to improve patients' lives. These are extremely exciting times to be involved in the healthcare industry. Takeda is extremely proud of our Japanese heritage. Last year was a very important year, not only for Takeda, but also for Serbia. A year ago, Takeda marked 10 years anniversary of its presence in Serbia, 240 years of providing healthcare globally, and an unbelievable 140 years of collaboration between Japan and Serbia. For us as a Japanese company, this was a very, very special year. Our values of integrity, fairness, honesty, and perseverance very much reflect the Serbian mindset. There's no wonder that mutual Serbian-Japanese close relations have lasted so long. We've had time to reflect on what we've achieved and what we've done in the recent years, to partner with all healthcare stakeholders from all over the world, including the Serbian government and the Embassy of Japan to Serbia. Together we discuss how and where we can work together to support Serbian healthcare in the future, particularly in areas such as rare diseases. We continue focusing on areas with the highest unmet need, areas where you can count the number of patients on one hand. The area where our products and services are revolutionizing patient outcomes, providing added value to both the patients and the healthcare system. And so much has been done through sophisticated projects related to artificial intelligence utilization in both the diagnosis and treatment of these patients most in need. I'd like to mention the close partnership we've developed with the Serbian government. During the last year, we've initiated two very important projects in close collaboration with the government-owned institutes. The Ministry of Health, the Institute for Genetic and Institute for Artificial Intelligence, and the Center for Industrial Revolution, which was created only in March of last year. In the first project, we cooperate to provide the optimization of diagnosis by the utilization of artificial intelligence tools. As mentioned, in some rare diseases, it takes 15 to 20 years to be diagnosed. That's far too long. We want to shorten this period using AI significantly. In the second project, we are working on personalized and precise treatment with the utilization of AI. We're using AI in pharmacogenomics, which is a field of the study of how a person's genes and how it affects and how he or she will respond to medication. We're trying to predict which patients will react to which treatments and which patient treatment should be given at which time. Improving patients' lives is often saving them from years of pain or indeed death. Takeda's strategic priorities are aligned very much with the Serbian government's strategic priorities, such as digitalization of healthcare and the ultimate need to ensure predictability and sustainability of healthcare environment. I'm also extremely proud of the Serbian government's proactivity of embracing digitalization and AI innovations. This has established a framework for value-based partnership, true collaboration to co-create and implement joint strategies. This will enable the long-lasting value for the development of the Bio4 campus ecosystem, specifically focusing on the management of rare diseases in Serbia. Takeda is dedicated to and investing heavily in data, digital and technology solutions. This is epitomized by the setting up of a multi-million euro innovation capability center in Bratislava. Takeda have made a global commitment to unleash the power of data and digital. We strive to transform Takeda into the most trusted, data-driven, outcome-based biopharmaceutical company. Within our global manufacturing and supply and global quality businesses, the DD&T team is making massive impacts, inspiring new ideas, exploring new technologies, and co-creating solutions that are helping us bring real benefits to the most vulnerable patients in society. We are currently focusing on three main areas: technology, modernization, and platforms, where we aim to modernize and standardize our platforms by moving towards a more scalable, secure, and flexible cloud architecture. Innovation, where we're hoping to combine new ways of working with cloud and data capabilities to let every part of Takeda reinvent how it delivers value for our patients and for the people who work in Takeda and how we can benefit the planet. And data as a digital platform enabler. This is where we're hoping to use predictive analytics and machine learning, and also, of course, artificial intelligence, to help everyone at Takeda spend more time analyzing and getting value from the data, and far less time simply managing it. We highly appreciate how Serbian government acknowledges biotechnology and digitalization as one of the top priorities. We are grateful for the great support and understanding of patients' needs by the Serbian government and other partners, such as the United Nations Development Programme. The future is here today. It's exciting to see how the digitalization and artificial intelligence tools have already greatly improved patients' lives. I wish you a great Biotech Future Forum, and I'm looking forward to our further cooperation.